Okay, we are going to talk about requirements for Project 2. So your learning target, I will understand the requirements of Project 2. I will be able to use ir conjugations correctly in order to complete Project 2. So just a quick review on the verb ir means to go, right? It can be like saying both of these phrases in English. So go or am going, goes or is going, go or are going. It can mean both those things in the one conjugation. So here's our verb chart. Hopefully you're super familiar with this verb. You're going to use it all the time. Let's go ahead and do a little bit of practice, make sure we're good on this. So if we want to say we go, hopefully you recognize that. Nosotros vamos. We are going. Again, nosotros vamos, kind of a trick question, means both, right? That phrase vamos means the same thing. We go or we are going. They go. Ellos van. She is going. Ella va. Okay, this construction is exactly what you're going to need when you do your project. We're going to look at that in just a moment. So let's review. Ir plus a means going to. So to say you're going somewhere, right? Voy a, voy is I'm going, right? Voy a la tienda. Or vas a, you are going to the library. Okay, if you're going to do something, we're going to use an infinitive verb there. So we have voy a dormir. I'm going to sleep. Vas a estudiar. You are going to study. Okay, let's do a quick practice with this to make sure we got it. So if you want to say, I'm going to eat, I'm going to use the conjugation of ir for I am going, which is voy, a, and then the infinitive verb comer. Voy a comer. She goes to the store. Ella va a la tienda. I'm going to drink water. Voy a beber agua. And you're going to use that phrase in your project coming up we're going to look at. They go to church. Ellos van a la iglesia. Okay, so let's look at the project directions. You are to talk about your plans for the weekend. Answer the following questions. Let's look at these questions here. Number one, ¿A dónde vas a ir el sábado? Okay, it's literally asking to where are you going to go? Vas a ir is going to go, right? Where are you going to go on Saturday? So you're going to answer that with voy, right? So if I ask you a question, where are you going to go? You're going to say, I am going to go. So in Spanish, voy a ir, and then you tell me, voy a ir a, where are you going to go? Number two, ¿qué activities vas a hacer? So what activities are you going to do? Voy a, and then you're going to say your activities. Comer, dormir, beber. Notice number five there. ¿Qué vas a comer y beber? So voy a comer, and tell me what you're going to eat, and so on. There are a couple questions here that notice it says like, how are you going to arrive? ¿Cómo vas a llegar? Or llegar. That's how I would say it. ¿Cómo vas a llegar? So remember to use the correct conjugation voy plus a plus the verb. And that mode of transportation. So when I ask you how are you going to arrive, voy a llegar, and then you are going to say one of these phrases, a pie, en coche, en autobús. Remember that you, autobús. Okay, please answer the questions for this activity now.